Today I'm going to show you how to fold a fitted sheet properly so you don't have to ball it up and throw it in your linen closet. Start by laying your sheet on the floor inside out. You want to be able to see all 4 of the corners. Now slide your hands into 2 of the corners, lift up the sheet and bring your hands together. Flip one corner of the top of your sheet over the other hand, creating a pocket. With one hand inside of the pocket that you've just created, follow along the edge of the sheet to the other corners and do the exact same thing. Now you have both hands in each pocket. Bring your hands together and fold one corner over the other again. Now all the corners should be in one pocket. Put your hands in the pocket and give it a little extra shake to straighten everything out. Now what you've created here is like kind of an L shape of the elastic part. See this? Now lay it on the floor and tuck the outside edges in to straighten everything up. You should have a nice straight square by now. Next step is just to fold it into thirds and smooth it out as you go. You don't want any wrinkles. Now for a king, fold it into fourths, and for a smaller sheet, you're just going to fold it into thirds again. It turned out so pretty. And honestly, this is a big space saver in your linen closet, and it makes it look nicer, and they aren't wrinkly when you want to go to use them. So once you figure out how to do this, it's not so intimidating.